morning, reception. Welcome back to your last Set 1 phonics of the week. Let's do those speed sounds. Let's see if I can hold them properly today as well. Sh, o, t, d, g, a, s, e, u, k, e, b, p. Well done. Did you spot yesterday's sound? That digraph. Let's just practice. Shh. Shh. Well done. And we've got our last new sound to do of the week. Well done. And we've got a picture of a robot. Can you say robot? Robot. Robot. Well done. Let's do our flip game then. If I show you this side, you're going to say If I show you this side, you're going to say robot. Are you ready? Well done, reception. Okay. Can we think of any words that begin with the sound? We thought of one which was robot. Robot. I've got two other pictures today. I've got a picture of a space rocket. Can you say rocket? And my last picture is of a beautiful rainbow. Can you say rainbow? Rainbow. Well done. I bet you've done some rainbow activities with your learning last week. Let's just practice those words one more time together. Rocket, rainbow, robot. Well done. Okay. Oh, our writing then. Going to use our magic finger first and listen so you can hear the rhyme. Up we go, down his back, then curl over his arm. Let's try again. Up we go, down his back and curl over his arm. So he's a bit like a teapot. He's got his arm curled over. I'm going to show you how to write it. Up we go, down his back, curl over his arm. Up we go, down his back, curl over his arm. Can you use your magic finger and say the rhyme? Up we go, down his back, curl over his arm. Now it's important that his curl of his arm doesn't go too far down, otherwise it can look like our n sound again. And we're not doing that, we're doing So pause the video and practice writing at home. You know what's next. It's time for our green words. Make sure you've warmed up your thread fingers, ready? And let's turn our sound over. What sound are we doing? Well done. Okay. Let's go for this one. Ready? A, t. Let's do it again. A, t. Rat. D. D. Red. Last one. N. N. Run. Nod it in your head this time. Still look at the sound buttons, but I shouldn't hear you sounding it out loud. Red. rat. Ran. Well done. Okay, time for those speed words. Red. Rat. Run. Fantastic. As always, if you need a bit more practice, you can rewind and watch those again. Okay, time for those red words then. We have got a lot that we've learnt so far. Let's practice them. You're going to practice saying them on your own today again. Well done. Okay, let's get up our two new ones we have been learning. What's this red word? Do. What's this red word? Was. Well done. Okay, a tricky challenge today because it's our last lesson. I would like you to write at home on your own. I want you to have a go at was. So look at the red words. Which one's was? And I want you to pause and have a go at writing it. Did you spot it? Well done. It's this one, isn't it? Was. Did you write your W? Did you write your A? And did you write your S? Well done. Give yourselves a big pat on the back. That is a tricky red word to write. Well done. Okay, just before we finish them, we're going to do our flip game one more time. So if I show you this side, you're going to say If I show you this side, you're going to say robot. Ready? I'm going to be quick today. Did I catch you? Oh, well done. Okay, give yourselves a really big pat on the back for all the learning you've done this week. And I'll see you again next week for even more sounds.